Hey everybody, and welcome to the Opal and Mommy Baking Show.
I'm Opal.
And I'm Mommy.
I'm Mommy.
No, I'm Mommy! And today, what are we going to make?
Play-Doh.
Play-Doh! We don't actually have to bake again. Sorry, folks. If you don't like it, don't watch it. Am I right? Okay. This week, we have the recipe on a piece of paper, which is way easier than trying to say.
We want the Play-Doh back.
We're gonna make Play-Doh.
But we want the Play-Doh.
It's way easier than having the recipe on your phone that you're recording the Opal and Mommy Baking Show on, and you have to keep switching from the recipe to the, Violet, say hi. Can you say hi?
Talk, Mommy.
Violet can't talk, but we can pretend.
But we can.
All right, let's get making. Do you know what this is right here, Opal? Yeah, take a little peek. What do you think it is?
What's this?
It is flour.
Flour.
And we need a cup of it, and we have to compact it, the recipe says.
That's the one.
So we're gonna scoop, and we're gonna compact, and we're gonna put it in a big bowl. All right, next we need this. Do you know what this is?
What is this?
It's salt, and we need a half a cup. Can you pour it into this?
Yeah.
Okay. Into the measuring cup. Good job. All the way into the measuring cup. Good job. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar.
What is this?
It's cream of tartar. All right, here's the cream of tartar. Very good. And then we're going to mix that stuff together.
Stir.
Stir, stir, stir. That's right. Doing a good job, Opal. Wow. All right, next we're gonna add a little bit of vegetable oil. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon to be exact. So I'll pour it and then you pour it in the bowl, okay? All right, now you pour it in the bowl. Very good. Now we're gonna mix that around, and then we're gonna separate it into 3 different sections so we can make 3 different colors. You wanna stir it?
Yeah.
Cool. All right, if I'm doing my math right, we've put in 1.5 cups of ingredients so far, plus a little bit. So if we make that into 3, it should be like 1/2 cup each, give or take. So we're gonna scoop.
Cool.
And then can you pour this into this bowl? Good. And then we're gonna scoop. We're gonna get a really good scoop. And we'll scoop it into this bowl. Very good. All right, then the recipe called for 1 cup of water. So 1 cup in thirds is 1/3 for each one. So I just got 1/3 cup of boiling water in here. And now Opal has to make the big decision of what color we want to start with.
Blue.
Blue? Okay. Do you want this blue or this blue? We've got 2 different kinds. You want a dark blue or a teal blue?
Teal blue.
Teal blue. All right. So we're going to mix some drops of this into the boiling water, and you got to be real careful because the water is boiling, okay? So let's take it and stir it up. And there's our blue water. And then we're going to mix it into one of our bowls, okay? All right. Let's see how this goes. It's real hot, okay?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Pretty. It's pretty.
That's going to be blue Play-Doh. Oh no, Violet. We've got kind of a weird consistency going on here, so I think we might add a little bit more flour to try to get a little bit more Play-Doh-y consistency. What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I'm just kneading it now to get to the right consistency. I think we're about there. It's not as sticky now. I got more flour in there. And in a minute, we're gonna do the Opal test to see if Opal thinks it's good. All right, Opal, you wanna see?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Good.
It's a good consistency? That's great.
Yeah.
Now we can make other colors. I think we've pretty well gotten it to the perfect consistency for playing. It's no longer sticking to my hands. And it's a little bit stretchy, but not too stretchy. What do you think? Is it perfect?
Yeah.
All right, Opal, what color should we do next?
Pink.
Pink. Okay, sounds good. Peekaboo! We got Violet her own chair. Actually, it's a stool, so that she can be part of the action and get into all the things. How fun! All right, so now we've got boiling water again, so we're going to put 1/3 of a cup, or a little less, because it was a little sticky last time, into this measuring cup.
Little hot.
It's quite hot, actually, not just a little. And we'll look, that's good enough. And we're gonna put some pink in there. So let's do a couple of drops of pink. Make a nice pink color.
Yeah.
All right, then Mommy's gonna mix it up a little bit and we'll put it into one of our bowls. We've got a mixing on the pink. It's gonna be pretty. This one looks like maybe it'll be better right off the bat. All right, we've got pink. It's at a good consistency too. What do you think, Violet? Should we do a Violet test? Just don't put it in your mouth. You like it? Yeah. You want to put it back on there? Very good. Now we've got blue and pink.
Can I?
We'll play with them in just a minute. We gotta make one more. We've got lots of colors to pick one from. We have purple, orange, green, yellow, or red. What do you want? Which color would you like?
Red.
Red? All right, sounds good. All right, so we're working on the red orange here. We're mixing, and then we'll squish it together until we've got the right consistency. But it's a little hot yet, so maybe Mommy should do it, huh? And Violet's playing with the bulb. Oh, and Mommy's spilling on the floor. All right, we're doing the Opal test on the red orange. What do you think?
It's good.
It's good? Now we gotta go play with them all. Okay? All right, here's our 3 colors, and here's our 2 girls ready to play. And we're gonna get all our little Play-Doh tools out so that we can play with our homemade Play-Doh. We're having a fun time playing with all our Play-Doh. What do you think, girls? Is this fun? We'll see how long they play. So far, Mommy made a flower. How's it smell?
It's nice.
Nice.
The flowers.
What did Opal make?
I made a tall snowman like a giraffe.
A tall snowman like a giraffe. And Violet made, you know, a lot of crumbles. Yay! I think Violet's gonna be done first. It still was like a 10-minute activity for Violet though. Now we've got one big pile. Opal's been playing for like an hour plus at this point. Maybe,
I'm playing with Play-Doh.
yeah, maybe even closer to an hour and a half. And now we have the super fun marbleized Play-Doh. And she made a birthday cake for the octopus. We had a great time, huh, Opal? And now we gotta take a nap.
I'm not